We're going to be tracking some more quiet weather. That's going to spill over as we get into this morning commute. Really no issues whatsoever aside from that mix of sun and clouds greeting us out the door this Wednesday morning. Getting into this afternoon and evening might be a different scene, though, as you head home from work today. Going to be tracking at least that threat of seeing some showers and thunderstorms get back up and going. We're going to be tracking a cold front. It's really not too far to our northwest. Right now, places like St. Joe already seeing some of these showers, but it's going to slowly but surely approach us as we get into this afternoon, into the evening. Anytime after about 1 and 2 o'clock, we might be having to keep an eye on that radar a little bit closer just to our north and west. They'll try to push into mid-Missouri, but again, temperature is already back into the upper 80s, so it's going to be really kind of feeling like more of the same as we get into this afternoon. But back toward the west, some of these will try to push back in, but just a little bit hesitant to do so as we get into about 6 and 7 o'clock, all the way through about 10, I think is going to be our window. And then after that, anything should start to settle back down as we get into tonight. Might have to watch out for a little bit of that patchy fog as we get into tonight. Overnight lows falling back into those upper 60s. And then we're a little bit more comfortable tomorrow. It's going to feel a little bit better. That humidity will dial back just a smidge as we get into our Thursday. Here's a look at dew point tracker. And again, behind that frontal boundary, it's going to take a little bit of time, but may drop those dew point temperatures into the lower 60s, hopefully, as we get into tomorrow. So that heat index really isn't much of an issue, but it comes roaring back on Friday. Going to be threatening the century mark. And a lot of times when we get that hot, that humid, that sets the stage for some storms. And that looks like it's going to be the case Friday night into Saturday morning. Now, right now, again, the details still a little bit fuzzy as we get about 3 days out. This is the latest from the Storm Prediction Center, but just circle that on your calendar. Friday night into Saturday morning, we got a cluster of storms that we're going to have to watch out for as we get, especially up around that Missouri and Iowa border, but that could spill over into some of our southern counties. But that may not be the only round we're tracking into this weekend. Another one looks slated to move through Saturday night, and then again, we may fire things back up again on Sunday morning into the afternoon hours. So keep that umbrella handy as we get into this weekend.